Hi, my name's Pete, and today I'm here at Shipley Glen. We're here to snap some wildlife, so let's go and see what we can find. The animals have seen us coming, but there's a way around that. We can build a hide. To help me today, I've got some friends from Brackenhall. Okay, so we found our location. It's not too much in the open, with a bit of natural light, so all we need to do now is get our materials, so let's get cracking. Our hide is one that you can easily make yourself. To build it, we're going to use some large sticks, some rope or string, some smaller sticks, and some bracken or leaf litter. First, we use 2 sticks to create the back and entrance of the hide. You can use string or rope to fix them in place. Next, fix the sides of the hide. The gaps can be filled with bracken, sticks, or leaf litter. You could use a tarpaulin or even an old sheet. Fantastic! We're in the hide. There's just one last thing. Sit still and wait for the wildlife. And here comes some now. Try out our hide and see what animals you can snap. Got some amazing photos you want to share? Take a card and learn how to get these shown in our gallery.